Mansion on Forsyth Park welcomes you to a magnificently restored Victorian mansion set in Savannah's legendary historic district overlooking the famous Forsyth Park. The Mansion on Forsyth Park Hotel welcomes you to a magnificently restored Victorian mansion set in Savannah's legendary historic district overlooking the famous Forsyth Park. The hotel lobby features chic Italian furnishings and a French antique cut crystal chandelier. From the moment you enter the onyx marble-appointed lobby, you will experience chic, southern luxury with antique European accents and dark Java tone wood floors. The hotel lobby features sophisticated Italian furnishings and a French antique cut crystal chandelier. Nestled between the Bose and Orpher Lounge and the Venus Ballroom, the gleaming wood floors showcase one of the hotel's 3 Bose and Orpher pianos. Enjoy our spacious and stylish queen guest room, designed specifically for your comfort. Let us treat you like true royalty during your stay in one of our standard king guest rooms, which boasts plush bedding. Perched within the historic district, our hotel features boutique rooms and superb amenities. Treat yourself to a historic hotel getaway in Savannah, one of the world's most romantic cities. Our spacious executive king room, overlooking Forsyth Park, features luxury bedding, sitting area, Bose Wave radio and high-speed internet access. Let us treat you like true royalty during your stay in our executive king guest room. Located on the 3rd floor, the concierge lounge is open to our executive-level guests. Savannah's legendary historic district, our hotel overlooks Forsyth Park, one of the city's most noteworthy landmarks. Forsyth Park's fountain, one of the city's most noteworthy landmarks. The history of the fountain stretches back to the late 1850s. Our century of hats collection date back to the 1800s, sits right outside the Grand Bohemian Art Gallery. The Grand Bohemian Gallery features a collection of over 400 pieces of original artwork specializing in contemporary painting, art glass, ceramics, jewelry, painting and sculpture. Señorita con Parasol, young lady with parasol, stands in between 700 Drayton and the Grand Bohemian Gallery. Come here to enjoy a great meal with friends, family or colleagues during your time in Savannah's historic district. Start your morning off right and enjoy breakfast at 700 Drayton, which offers abundance of natural light. Host a small gathering in our billiard room, which offers abundant natural light yet still retains an atmosphere of coziness and intimacy. "700 Drayton's spacious dining rooms are great for breakfast or lunch meetings. Come here to enjoy a great meal with friends, family or colleagues during your time in Savannah's historic district. The classes here at 700 Kitchen Cooking School are open to both individuals and groups. Plan a fun team-building exercise with your colleagues in between meetings here in Savannah. 700 Drayton, the main restaurant within the hotel, adorned with chic artwork, and many fabulous elements of the Victorian mansion in which it is housed. For any meal of the day, shrimp and grits in a staple in the south. A dish sure to please, brick-pressed chicken with sweet peas, fingerling potatoes, heirloom carrot and rosemary jewel. One of the favorites on the menus, crispy calamari with capers, harissa e aioli, jalapenos and fresh oregano. Enjoy the stunning views of Forsyth Park, while you indulge in a light lunch at the Forsyth Cafe. Indulge your senses in the sophistication of Casimir's art-adorned lounge or spectacular rooftop terrace overlooking prestigious Forsyth Park while enjoying our cuisine or your favorite cocktail. Visit Casimir's lounge spectacular rooftop terrace overlooking prestigious Forsyth Park. The Bohemian Lounge provides an intimate gathering space. Relax and enjoy a drink in a sleek ambience. The Bohemian Lounge provides an intimate gathering space and features one of the hotel's 3 Bohemian pianos. The outdoor pool features chaise lounges and a water wall. Sit back and enjoy the warm Savannah weather. The Marble Garden Courtyard features an outdoor relaxation pool, chaise lounges, and a water wall to unwind and enjoy the warm Savannah weather. Host your next event outside. The Marble Garden Courtyard features an outdoor relaxation pool, chaise lounges, and a water wall to unwind and enjoy the warm Savannah weather. Maintain your fitness routine at our fully equipped gym, which features the latest in cutting-edge cardio and free weight equipment. Indulge your senses at our full-service Poseidon spa that blends historic elegance with contemporary amenities. Our full-service spa blends historic elegance with contemporary amenities. The opulent 3,500 square foot Viennese ballroom features antique mirrors, gold leaf columns and custom, Italian crystal chandeliers. Host a memorable meeting here in Savannah. Our sophisticated ballroom can comfortably accommodate up to 150 guests. With over 8,500 square feet of versatile function space, we can cater to your meeting or conference needs here in Savannah. With over 8,500 square feet of function space, we can cater to your meeting needs, large or small. Our breathtaking meeting space is perfect any meeting or event. Plan your next meeting with us in this lavish venue. 3,500 square foot Viennese ballroom features antique mirrors, golf leaf columns and custom Italian crystal chandeliers. Let the mansion on Forsyth Park Autograph Collection take care of all the details for your next meeting or event. Our smaller meeting rooms can comfortably accommodate a small group of 10-15 guests. All of our meeting venues and event spaces are furnished with high-speed Wi-Fi and modern technology. Host a lunch or breakfast meeting in our private dining room for up to 14 attendees. Our breathtaking Marble Garden Courtyard is perfect for any type of social event. The stunning white tent, beautiful chandelier and Bohemian furniture bring glamour to any occasion. The carriage wine cellar provides an intimate, old-world feel with an antique hand-hewn wood table and original fireplace, providing the perfect ambience for a reception or wine dinner. Our stunning marble garden courtyard is perfect for a wedding ceremony or a cocktail hour for a special event. The stunning white tent, beautiful chandelier and Bohemian furniture bring glamour to any occasion.